If you're experiencing a login failure in League of Legends, particularly the 2025 error, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing maintenance or outages. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game client. Close the League of Legends client completely and reopen it. This can help refresh the connection and resolve temporary issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Update your game client. Make sure your game client is up to date. Launch the client and allow it to download any available updates. An outdated client can lead to login issues. Step 4. Repair the game. Use the built-in repair tool in the League of Legends client. Go to the settings menu, find the repair option, and follow the prompts. This will fix any corrupted files that could be causing the error. Step 5. Check firewall and antivirus settings. Ensure that your firewall or antivirus software is not blocking League of Legends. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable the software to see if it resolves the login issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure and get back into the game. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.